Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I am doing a comparison of Mi A2 versus Mi 8 SE. Both phones are Chinese variant, it's not the global variant. But many people ask me to do a comparison so they can choose which one to buy, which one not to buy. Both phones price are very similar. Like my Mi A2 is near about 1600 yuan and Mi 8 SE is 1800 yuan, so only 200 yuan, near about 2000 rupees difference. So let's begin our video and see.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So the first difference of both phones is the height. Mi 8 SE is 5.88 inch and Mi A2 is 5.99 inch. So if you don't like big phones like 6 inch, so Mi 8 SE is your first choice. So the second one is the design. So you can see Mi 8 SE have a not a glass backside, is very similar with Redmi Note 5 Pro, and Mi 8 SE have a glass look. It's like iPhone 10, very similar to it and look very beautiful. So next one is the camera. Mi 8 2 camera is little broader and outside, which I don't like it, and it's have a bump, so it's have great chance to have scratches on the camera. The rest one both have mic on the top and IR blaster, you can see. On the right side, volume button and the power on. On the bottom, one is speaker, one mic and USB-C type charging port and 2 antenna. And on the left side, the SIM tray tool. So in the front there's a notch in Mi 8 SE, but Mi A2 doesn't have. If you don't like notch, we can hide notch in Mi 8 SE. They have a feature in setting. So now we can see the SIM tray. So both phone doesn't support memory card, only 2 nano SIM are supported. You can see the SIM tray of both phones, they are similar. So now let's check the face unlock, which one is fast. So Mi 8 SE is faster, I think, but they're nearby same, not so fast or not a big difference. So now let's try the fingerprint sensor. Mi 8 SE again, yeah, Mi 8 SE is faster. So again, Mi 8 SE is faster in fingerprint lock. So now let's do the speed test of both phones. You can see I cleared my apps and we can begin. So same time. Again same time. So for Mi 8 SE it's faster. Mi 8 SE again. You can see the Antutu score of both phones also. So Snapdragon 710 is much better. So next one, again Mi 8 SE. Mi 8 SE. This time both are at the same time, so I don't give any point to any phone. Mi 8 SE. So again Mi 8 SE. So again, Mi 8 SE. Mi 8 SE again in PUBG also. So let's load it up and see which one loads fast. So Mi 8 SE loaded fast, so this point also goes to Mi 8 SE. So last one is Chrome and Mi 8 SE again. So Mi 8 SE is the clear winner in the speed test. So now let's see the camera of both phones. I already uploaded the camera review of both phones and the comparison of both phones, so you can check in my description the links. So both phones support 4K, so you can see Mi A2 4K and Mi 8S is Ultra HD 4K quality. And the front camera, let's see. So Mi 8 HD Full HD 1080p and Mi A2 Full HD. So now let's see the gaming in the both phone. Gaming review is also done of both phones. You can check in my channel and in the description I have given the link. So you can check the gaming review with battery drainage. So in this gameplay you can see both phones are playing smoothly, doesn't lag. Mi A2 have Snapdragon 660 and Mi 8 SE have Snapdragon 710. So I didn't face any lag in any game. So let's see a little gameplay of this game. So in both phone, games are playing very smoothly, doesn't lag and nothing happen. So for gaming you can say both phones are good and it's similar, no lag and nothing like that. So after gaming review we can check the Geekbench scores of both phones. Mi A2 is 1617 single core and Mi 8S is 1823 single core, and the multi-core 5102 in Mi A2 and 5634 in Mi 8SE. So Mi 8SE is better again. And I already shown the Antutu benchmark of both phones, and in that also Mi 8SE is much higher than Mi A2. So for the conclusion, I think Mi 8 SE is much better option than Mi A2 or Mi 6X. Only the camera of Mi A2 is little better than Mi 8 SE, but Mi 8 SE camera is also not so bad. You can check my gaming review, my camera review, and we have done most of the reviews in this speed test, gaming and everything. So in my opinion, if you want to choose between these two phones, you should choose Mi 8 SE, which is really better than Mi A2. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.